How to unsubscribe emails from Gmail. So if you want to unsubscribe emails from your Gmail, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Gmail application. Once you open up your Gmail, now you just need to simply go with search mail, and here you need to search for unsubscribe and hit the search. Here you will have all of the emails or the spamming promotional email that you've subscribed. Make sure that all of these are unsubscribed emails. So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that show search options. Once you click on it, now you just need to simply go with create filter. Here you need to click on delete it so that the emails will be deleted once they are arrived. And you can go with create filter, or you can send it to spam, or you can forward it, or you can choose a category. So go with create filter, and you need to follow the steps in the secure Google verification pop-up. Once you click on continue, and then you need to verify with your password or your passkey. So go with continue, and it will ask you to log in, and that's it. Now the filter has been created, and whatever mails you'll receive, they will be deleted automatically. So that's how you can unsubscribe emails from your Gmail, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.